Hello, in this video we're going to look at the Revo hand, arm and whole body vibration kit. Here it is on the side. It's in two boxes. We're going to look at each piece of kit in turn, and what I want to make you aware of is when this is delivered by Cirrus Research, you take it out of the box. No matter which kit you've got, whether it's both or just one or the other, you'll always have an envelope with a calibration certificate in there for both pieces or for the single piece of equipment, depending on where you've got. So you'll have the calibration certificate. You'll also have in there a small card which is asking you to register your product. It's well worth filling that card in. So let's have a look at these particular products. This box here is the hand-arm vibration unit, and this one here is for whole body. So let's have a look at hand-arm vibration first. So if we open up the box, you'll see there are quite a number of bits and pieces in here which I'm going to go through. We've got the actual measurement unit here. We've got the transducer device, various cables and batteries. So let me take it out of the case for you so you can see what each individual element is. Then we can put it together and we can have a look at and see what it looks like. So here's what was in the case. So what have we got? Well, we've got the actual meter itself that does all of the measuring. We've got this little piece here which is our transducer. In this case it's a triaxial accelerometer which measures the actual. This is the hand-arm vibration kit. We've got a cable which is going to connect the meter to the measuring device, the accelerometer. We've got batteries for this, and we've got a USB download cable, and we've also got some extra parts here which enable you to attach the accelerometer to the handle of the tool. Now, hand-arm vibration is all about monitoring the vibration levels that are coming from the handle of the tool that you're using. And we all know that there are manufacturers' data that are available for you to look at, and then they will tell you what the levels of vibration are that come from various tools. And we measure vibration generally in acceleration, meters per second squared. But of course, as tools age, or as different people use tools for different purposes, then it's always useful to know what the vibration levels of those tools are. Doing that, if you use this particular kit to do that exercise, you'll be able to tell in your range of tools that you have which ones are safe to use for hours per day, which ones you want to put a limit on. For example, if it's some sort of a drill, you might say, well, if you use that drill, you can only use it for maybe 2 hours a day maximum before you breach your limit. And there may be other tools which are just dangerous, and you want to either replace them or warn people not to use them, but only for a very, very limited time. We know that for hand-arm vibration there is no effective PPE, so being able to tell what the vibration levels of your tools are will really enable you to manage people's exposure to hand-arm vibration. Just like noise, there are limits, daily limits over a standard 8-hour working day that people cannot be exposed to. And the upper limit is 5 meters per second squared on average over an 8-hour day for vibration coming through the hand and arms. So this tool really gives you actual readings from the handles of the tools, so you can tell exactly how good or bad those tools that your workers are using.